Hey, what's up, guys? Zach Calhoun here from CloudPano.com. I hope you're doing really well today. I have a new feature that I'm excited to share with you. Possible game changer for the virtual selling world. I love this. It's going to be so cool. Follow along with me today. If you don't know who we are, CloudPano.com is a world-class 360 virtual tour software, but we're not just a virtual tour software. We're also a sales enablement tool. Use CloudPano to sell stuff, okay? We got brands all over the world using us. Just upload 360 photos or even just still images, and you can sell things in a 360 environment with our live video chat feature. You can easily customize and embed content. You can upload a Google Street View. Man, we got so many cool things we're working on. It's awesome. We're basically changing the world, and you found this video. That's cool. Happy you're here. Okay, so check this out. This tour, gosh, I'm jumping around here. This tour right here has a new feature turned on called collections. Okay, so what is collections? How does it work? And how do we use it to create world-class experiences on CloudPano? Okay, so if you look here, if with collections turned on, if you start to scroll your mouse, you'll notice that there is a series of tours. We are bundling tours together into what's called a collection, so that this top ribbon here, if I was to click a specific or click this tour, the images of that tour are now revealed below in the bottom reel. So what I can do is, if you think about the architecture here, let's say I have an apartment complex, or I have a hotel, or really just a series of inventory that it makes sense to break them up into separate virtual tours for different utility purposes. But there's a chance that all the 3 bedrooms may advertise or market well right next to each other. Well, in that case, you'd put all the 3 bedrooms into a collection, and you'd walk somebody through each one, or they could walk themselves through it as well too. It's like a folder of tours that are easy to navigate and easy to walk through. And what's really cool about it is CloudPano Live works right with alongside collections. So as I have these collections open, here I am talking in the top right portion of the screen. I can, let's say I have 4 boats in inventory and I want to show a certain brand, say Mastercraft. I can show those by utilizing this collections feature, right? So it's really cool. So I'm gonna exit out of this CloudPano Live really fast. And I'm actually going to go back to the example here. Okay, so note, if you have a collection, and I'm going to go back to my dashboard here, but one of your tours has the thumbnails hidden, just recognize that you want to keep thumbnails on, because obviously thumbnails is how we're utilizing the collections navigation. So just note that. So this particular boat tour has thumbnails hidden. Okay, so I'm not going to click it again, but you understand how this works. If I have 5 or 6 cars in inventory and I want to show them off or walk someone through in a virtual selling environment, I can do so with this collections feature. So how do we do it? How do we set it up? How do we use it to better or to quickly create these collections? I'll show it to you real quickly. So I'll go over to my dashboard, app.cloudpano.com/tours. There's a big purple button. It says create new collection. So you can title it whatever you want. Example collection, let's say 3. I can put a description. I'm just going to put test here. I can even upload a cover image, which is nice. So I'm just going to add a random image here and click continue. I'm going to add these collections in here. Now, the order at which I click them will determine the order at which they're added. It's an important note in case you want to kind of customize the order of them, etc. What's really cool as well is that we can also add Google Street View tours into a collection. So I'll go ahead and add one and show you what it looks like. I'm clicking add, letting CloudPano create the collection. And here is your link. What's cool also is that I can customize this link. Oops, I copied it. So let's say I want to, I'm going to click edit details, and the string URL is here. So let's say it's just, hotels would be hotels, 4, wherever the URL I want to make it here. I'm going to update it. Now my collections URL says, and which we'll be able to white label in the future, it says app.cloudpano.com/group/hotels4. So I click copy. This little button here says text is copied. I'm just going to open a new tab, paste it over, and I must have added this boat tour first, so I'm going to go back. That's funny. I'm going to go back into this collection I just made, which is right here, collections example 3. Oops, I'm bouncing around a little bit too fast. I'm clicking too fast. I apologize. So I'm going to edit. I'm going to get rid of this boat tour because that one had the thumbnails hidden, if you remember. Now I have this Hotels 4 icon or Hotels 4 URL. I'm going to add it in a new tab. And there's my collection. Here's the tours on top reel, and here is the examples on the bottom, or the tour panos on the bottom, right? So if I had that collection selected, I can jump through those photos, right? So what I'm also going to do is quickly, I'm going to turn off this audio because it's in my ears. I wanted to show what it's like to show a GSV tour. So you can actually combine Google Street View tours into bundles. Okay, so if you have, for whatever reason, you have a lot of Street View tours and you have hosted tours and you want to create a custom experience where you're jumping back and forth through them, you can do that with collections. Really cool. So you can add a GSV tour as well too. And I have not published this one yet, but that's why this is popping up. But I should have published it before this video, but that's okay. Just wanted to show you an example of what that looks like. You can basically add GSV into it as well too. So really cool feature. Lots you can do with it. Use your creative minds and show me some world-class collections of virtual tours. I already saw one within minutes of us releasing this feature. I saw a collection of a whole entire town. It was really, really cool. So stuff you can do like that now all in one swift, really cool feature called Collections on CloudPano.com. So make sure to check us out at CloudPano.com. The best thing for you to do to get access to all these really cool features, just upgrade. It's a low monthly fee. It's an awesome software. You can do a lot with it and really build a business that lasts. We're here to help you along the way as well too. John, Jay, the team, the support team are always super excited to respond and help you grow your business and be helpful to you. And of course, me and Clayton and the whole team we got here, we're excited to help you and excited to help your business grow. So just click Get Started, and it'll take you to a screen that says Buy Now, and you'll be able to jump into CloudPano Pro Plus. Thank you so much for joining me. I'll see you soon.